Many, many innovation engines, and I've never seen one that's this fast and this big given the space. I think it's because the innovation ecosystem here allows the entrepreneurs, essentially, students, to move quicker than anyone else. It's the most impressive I've seen in speed for hardware.
Thank you. And I mean, you come to China a lot, you're a top thought leader. What are some of the things that in the West now still fundamentally misunderstood China?
There's a prejudice about China as not being particularly good in software, which is wrong. And the AI adoption here is very fast. The open source models are used very quickly, and you can see them in all the products that you have going on in your innovation center. It's really remarkable.
Now, I mean, we spent the last century building an education system, training employees.
Sure.
So when we think about building a whole new system, training, entrepreneurs, innovators, builders, what should be done differently?
The most important thing to remember is that it takes many fewer people to create a company. You basically have to have your own idea and maybe a person or two, and then you need very good design tools. So the barrier to entry to creating companies is now so low that everyone should learn how to be an entrepreneur, even if they don't want to. So what that means in education is traditionally structured, and instead it needs to be focused on building teams. Right? You understand this because that's how you do. But universities are very slow to change the way they operate. The best universities have essentially team projects where the team solves the problem. And that leads directly into becoming an entrepreneur. And entrepreneurship is how we're going to solve our problems. Because young people don't have any bias, they don't have any history, and they'll attack a problem with great passion.